Hey everyone, hi, good evening, and welcome to the session by 360DigiTMG. So, let me start this session by congratulating you. Now, congratulating you for what? Well, congratulating you for the fact that you have chosen to upskill yourself in the field of data science and data analytics. And that's the reason you deserve congratulations. Upskilling is not that easy. People give up when they try to upskill, but still, you have chosen to upskill yourself. And yes, as we discussed, that's the reason you deserve congratulations. So now, let me start this session. What is this session all about? Well, this session is all about free internship on data science and data analytics that we have got at 360 that we have got it for you. And of course, this is 360 DigiTMG's contribution to the world of data science and data analytics. So, what are we going to have in this particular project? It's free internship project, right? So when we talk about this free internship project, we all know whenever we study or theoretically, we study theoretically when we talk about college, studying in college or taking any course or anything like that. What happens is we study theory, and there's a huge gap between what happens in theory and what happens in practicals in real world. Now, to bridge this gap, we are here. We are here for you. And this project will actually help you to bridge that gap. Now, let's talk about this particular project. So when we're talking about this project, we have this project in two phases. First phase is learning phase, where you'll be learning Python, SQL, data preliminaries. Now you must be thinking, okay, as a part of it, you have read all these things. But at the very same time, why should you go through all these things? Because when you go through all these things, first of all, you brush up those concepts. Second, you make your base stronger. Also, you will solve questions. Now, what do you need to do in order to get all those things or in order to get started? Well, you must be part of a community. So, a backend team will make sure that you get a Google form in that community and you will fill that Google form. Once you fill that Google form, you will get access to our learning management system. Now, what is learning management system or what does it look like? Well, learning management system is again the same thing. Let me take you to the learning management system. Now, this is what the learning management system looks like. Right. Now, this is for trainers. And of course, here you'll get here in your courses, you'll get 3 videos every single day. And you in projects, you will get your projects. Now, what do we do here? Every single day, you will get 3 videos. Those videos you will see, and you will go to the assessment. When you go to the assessment or you click on the assessment link, you go to the LinkedIn page of 360DigiTMG. Right. Now, like this, you go to the LinkedIn page of 360DigiTMG, where you will get questions, subjective questions like this. Now, why subjective questions? And what do we need to do with those subjective questions? Well, when you go for those subjective questions, you need to make sure that you answer for those questions here in the comment section. When you do that, you make yourself visible. Now, we all know that LinkedIn is really famous for recruiters who are actively hunting for people, right, or for employees. Now, they are searching for talent, and when you do something, you actually make sure that you increase your visibility. When you type something, you increase your visibility, and of course, that's a win-win for both the employer and for you too. Now, after you do all these things for number of days that is required, you go back to the second phase. You go to the second phase. Now, what is the second phase all about? Well, the second phase is project phase. In project phase, we shall assign an expert data scientist who has rich experience of working on real world projects and they'll guide you throughout the project. There will be daily stand-up meetings for 15 minutes from Monday to Friday to discuss what is done and what must be done for the next day and any risk or challenges that you have. Well, we'll be discussing about this project phase whenever we are in this phase, right? Now, what will happen once you complete this project? Well, upon successfully completing the project successfully, you will be awarded an internship project completion certificate from 360DigiTMG. Now, this is a free program and certificate is also free. We do not charge anything before, during, or after the internship. Well, this is a certificate, course of certificate of completion that you get. Here you have your name, project name, everything. Now, this program will start from tomorrow, that is 12th of October 2024. Also, as a part of this particular project, we have some questions. Well, talking about completion of learning phase, participants must complete all learning phase modules before moving to the next task. Of course, we have seen this is in 2 phases, right? Please reach out to support if needed. And to which email ID? Well, interns1@360dtmg.com. We talk about data science internship. Currently, only data analytics internships are available. Talking about LMS credential issuance. LMS credentials may take up to 24 working hours to be issued. So we actually request you to be a bit patient. Patience is appreciated during this process. Talking about internship continuation in case of emergency, if you are unable to complete the internship due to work commitments or personal emergencies, please email us at interns1@360dtmg.com. Now include any relevant documentation or proof and you will be assigned an upcoming internship. Talking about certification policy or the internship certification policy, internship certificates will be issued only upon successful completion of required documents. Failure to meet project submission deadlines will result in ineligibility for a certificate. Also, talking about delaying project submissions, they are not at all permitted. We stick to the deadlines, right? So, if your deadline is missed, interns will need to join the next project batch and complete it within the specified deadline to qualify for the certificate. Now, make sure that you are abiding by all these policies. Now, you must be thinking, what else can we add? What else can we help in? Right? We are giving you videos to see, videos to watch, and what else we can help you in? Well, let me take you to our website, a beautiful website. Well, this is what our website looks like. Let me take you there. Now, this is what our website looks like. Now, when we talk about website, of course, you can see popular courses, domain analytics courses, and of course, our differentiators. You can talk about career transition. You can read success stories here, right? All these things you can do. Also, when we're talking about all these things, let me take you to the learning resources where you'll have a lot of things to learn. Now, talking about learning resources on our 360DigiTMG website. Now, this is actually, there are plethora of micro-learning bursts. You can actually do micro-learning bursts for quick insights. You can do comprehensive, there are comprehensive guides for deep dives and interactive projects for hands-on experience. You can learn all those things. Now, talking about core learning resources that we have for you. You have digital learning library. Of course, you can go there. You can read these books, right? A lot of books you can read actually. Digital book we have. You can read this book and you can be really, really happy and you can be content. You can actually be very, really happy about the book that we have and you will find a gem, right? You will find a lot of things there in that book. Now, talking about AI Design Studio for machine learning, this is how you will make your project architecture, right? Doesn't matter if you're a beginner, intermediate, or someone with advanced knowledge, we have all of things for you. Now, think of it when you're doing this project, and once you do this project, now you will be prepared with advanced knowledge. Now, think of it. Your recruiters, if he sees that, okay, this person has advanced knowledge in all those things, he can make a really beautiful project architecture. Think of it, what an impact that you, or what an impact will make on your recruiter's mind, right? Now, getting back to the One more source, for example, we have data skills assessment here, talking about career career advancement and professional growth. We have resume optimization, how we call it Grow Hub, where you can polish your resume and make your resume ATS friendly. We have talent connection portal, where you can connect with the employers. For a conceptual understanding and insightful learning, we have strategic learning maps. Now, when you go to learning path, when you go to learning map, here you will see that we have plethora of material here, and we insist our students to go through these learning maps 3 times a day so that they learn each and everything and they internalize these concepts, right? And we insist you to do the same too. Now, after this, you can actually see innovative projects that we have. You can explore our projects, or you can see animate inside series. Well, we have a lot of material here. You can actually see GIF or videos and all, everything, and you can be a part of great learning, right? You'll be part of immense learning here. Now, talking about free stuff, and you can go to our website, right? And you can go to our 360DigiTMG YouTube channel. For example, I'll take you to our YouTube channel, 360DigiTMG. Here, when you go to our YouTube channel, and once you go to playlist section, you'll see we'll have a lot of things here. We have project explanation from business perspective, Gen AI videos, again, data analysis videos. We talked about different domains, right? Domain analytics video, if we talk about, there are so many things available here, right? And all of these are free of cost. You will learn a lot here once you are here in our YouTube channel, right? Now make sure that you subscribe to our YouTube channel when you are here. Now, let's go to this free internship slide again, and let's talk about free internship again. Of course, you know now that we have so many things for you. Now, talking about this project or free internship that is by 360DigiTMG, well, you will be doing this project, and there will be two phases in this project. First, learning phase, and second is project phase. Learning phase will get 3 videos every single day of Python, SQL, and data preliminaries. Now, how to get those videos? Well, you will get one Google form that you will fill. You'll get it in your community, of course. That community you're already part of. You'll fill that form, and once you fill that form, you will get LMSSS. Our backend team will make sure that you get LMSSS, and you'll get 3 videos there every single day. You'll see those videos, click on assessment, and you will go to our LinkedIn page where you'll answer questions in comment section. Talking about project phase, again, we shall assign an expert data scientist who has rich experience of working on real world projects, and they'll guide you throughout the project. There will be daily stand-up meeting for 15 minutes from Monday to Friday to discuss what is done and what must be done for next day, and discuss challenges that you have. As we discussed, we shall be discussing about this project phase when we reach this phase. Upon successfully completing the project, you will be awarded an internship project completion certificate from 360DigiTMG. And this is how it will look like. This is a free program, and certificate is also free. We do not charge anything before, during, or after the internship. Now, this program will start from tomorrow, that is 12th October 2024. So team, make sure that you fill the Google form, get LMSSS, and start with this project. As we discussed, you'll learn a lot of things. You can go to a website, you can learn a lot of things there. You can visit our YouTube channel, and you can learn a lot of things there too. So yes, this is it from our side, team. And we'll meet again next Friday with a new project. And yes, till that time, take care. Enjoy your time, team. A very happy Dashera to all of you. Right. And thank you so much for joining.